Okay, everyone. So this is a weekly webinar, a public weekly webinar, and so please in this session. Yes, you can ask in a Hindi. No worry. First of all, in this webinar, we are going to do some market analysis and mainly focus on your question answer. So I will choose a few pair to analyze in a higher time frame to lower time frame, and after that we can like what we can expect in right now in a few currency pair like crypto, forex, indices, and Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other pair. And after that, we can continue our question answer session, right? So you don't need to worry missing some markup. Okay, soon you will see, but not SMC, but actually, I introduced a price action concept, which is really great, and I make a very simple, easy to trade for everyone. But definitely, you will see in the upcoming week and months, time to time, things will be upgrade one by one because I can't like explain everything in a first attempt. Just providing you simple to step thing because nobody and everybody is not able to handle some situation. Some people trade with price action and they are really happy. Okay, and some people are trading with smart money concept, which is also really happy. And in an upcoming chapter, uh, I will introduce some SMC concept and price action concept. Then I will combine all things, and there is no complexity, only simple concept, only basic SMC concept like structure and some inducement part, and sometimes you will see order flow. And the order in terms of the price action, you will see like impulse and correction part. So I will merge both thing, and then I will introduce like few upcoming chapter where I will explain all the thing in a detail step by step because to upload the to sharing a complete price action is a must be necessary because before this chapter you can't understand what happening in the next upcoming chapter. So I uploaded the previous chapter which is really great and very like basic and easy to understand topic. And once you understand those topics, then you can see few upgradation in a price action and smart money concept. I will merge both thing, only basic concept, not the complex thing, because my motive not to make very complexity. I will deliver only simple and easy to read for you. SMC was best. Yes. Every strategy is the best, and there is no strategy in this world which is was lost and like bad or best, right? It's all about probability. Even in a smart money concept, in a price action concept, the all things you need to understand is all about probability. When you are looking for the buy and sell any specific trend, then you need to think about probability, right? Yeah, SMC is not working. Yeah, SMC is not working. Also, price action is also not working. So it depend, right? But everything is a working, right? But time to time things will be changed and update in a smart money concept and price action concept. So you need to update yourself time to time. SMC plus ICT equal to master class. Actually, I don't understand ICT concept, which is really complex for me. So I never tried it. Just now, can I sell Bitcoin? So this is a 5 minute time frame. So why are you buying and selling? Okay, so let's see and start the market analysis in a higher time frame to lower time frame. And after finish the some market analysis, I will do quick question answer session. You don't need to worry about it, right? So first of all, I'm going to start from Bitcoin chart and start from the higher time frame first. What happening here and what we can expect here? Look at this one. This is our Bitcoin chart in a daily time frame. Structure is a bullish here. So if market momentum is a bullish, then what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for the buy. If market like create an impulsive move and corrective phase, then we are anticipating that price continue going higher high, right? So in terms of the like smart money concept trader, they are expecting like structure continue pushing higher high, taking out the inducement mitigation, order block, and then we are waiting for mitigation, and then we can buy or sell. So these two scenario when we are looking for the buy and sell, right? So if you look a perspective of the order flow, a perspective of the like impulse and correction. So where is our next possible scenario in a Bitcoin in a daily time frame structure? So look at this one. This is our like strong move to the higher and continue market pushing upside and continue. We can see this is our previous higher high was created here. Look at this one. And where is our higher low? This point, right? Because market momentum is a bullish and continue going higher high. And we are looking here for the buy to the upside and market break this high. And this move is our up. You can say here, like you can say break off structure, or you can say like a other thing. Okay, so, excuse me. Okay, so market momentum is a bullish and continue pushing higher high and market creating higher high and marking. When market momentum is a bullish, simply we are looking for the buy and sell. When market tap on your order flow, and then we can buy. And if market momentum is a bullish, and simply you need to identify impulse and correctable. So there are two ways when we can identify if market bullish and we are looking for the buy. So in terms of the price action, what we are looking here? Simply we are looking, you need to identify impulse and corrective phase. So right now, this is our impulsive move to the upside. Why? Because market momentum is a bullish and we are looking for the higher. And this is a strong move to the upside. And we are anticipating after impulsive wave, if market creating any continuation pattern, corrective pattern, so we can expect next move to the higher. So this is our like correction right here. So if market create any kind of a correction here, simply we are anticipating that price can continue to go higher. So look at this one, how you can deal in this situation. First of all, you need to mark the structure here. This is our like continuation pattern here, right? And this pattern showing a bullish continuation pattern. If market pushing higher high and then market break this structure and then we can buy. So this is the first indication, but you need some multiple confirmation like EMA price must be close of the EMA, and then we can take a some lower time frame confirmation. Right now, price rejecting on this EMA. Okay, price not break this EMA. If price close above it, then you can buy here, right? If price like close above it, then you should switch here in a lower time frame, and price must be created any continuation pattern, and then we can expect a upside move to the higher, right? And this can be another correction move here. Why? Because this is impulse and this is a correction and this is impulse. So we can expect in a Bitcoin in upcoming days, overall structure looks bullish here. Right now, there is no bullish confirmation. Okay, but structure is a bullish, but you don't need to buy here right now, and you don't need to sell here. You need to wait for it to showing some, you need to wait for price observation. If market give any bullish indication, then you can take risk here for the buy. Okay. And also you can see here, this was in a first attempt price close here. This is a very strong bullish candlestick confirmation, and people are looking here for the buy. If you are thinking that why we are not buying here, if price close of it, so this is a good indication for the buy. Of course, we can buy here, but price not create here any kind of like continuation pattern here. Like if price sustain above it and create any bullish confirmation here, then definitely we can think about it buy here in a Bitcoin in a daily time frame structure, right? So price not create here any kind of like bullish confirmation here. Price just close of it and then went down, right? Same thing happening here. If price close of it and then gives any bullish confirmation, then we can buy here. This is a daily time frame, at least in a 4 hour time frame continuation pattern, and then we can expect a continuation move to the higher, right? So price can be like pushed downside, maybe in a upcoming weeks, maybe market push more downside and then go higher, right? So price close over it, like if price close over it and create here any continuation pattern, and then we can think about it buy here and Bitcoin in our daily time frame structure, right? Let's switch here in a 4 hour time frame. That what happening here in a 4 hour time frame is a similar story here. As I mentioned, that the price just creating continuation pattern here, like a strong move to the higher, and again we are waiting here to create a like continuation pattern and break this one. Price is still trading above the 50 moving average, which is a really good indication for the buy. So if price created any continuation pattern, then we can buy. Otherwise, if market went down, like you need to think about both side of probability. If market respect this EMA and then went down, right? So you can see some like bearish kind of indication, and then we can see market push downside till this EMA, sorry, this trend line, right? So this can be a two possible scenario in a Bitcoin in a 4 hour time frame and daily time frame structure here. So now let's check here in a lower time frame what happening here in a 50-minute time frame. In a 50-minute time frame, market momentum is a bullish here. Everything is a bullish here. And when market momentum is a bullish, simply okay. So if market like continue going higher high, and this is a 50-minute time frame. So if market momentum is a bullish, simply market creating impulse and correction, which is an indication that market continue going higher high. So this is our strong impulsive wave here. So when market momentum create a strong impulsive wave and then market create a corrective phase, again impulsive phase, and this is the entire corrective phase here, right? So market create larger corrective phase, again impulsive wave, and market creating very large structure here like this, right? So there is chance that market can continue go higher. So this is an indication in a lower time frame as well as in a 50-minute time frame, because 4 hour and daily time frame showing bullish but not confirmed in a higher time frame, right? So in a lower time frame, you can play in a as per the like higher time frame is a bullish or bearish, and if market create same scenario in a lower time frame, then you can play in a both side, right? Okay, so the next thing is here. The next main tradable pair is a gold. Let's see. Start from the higher time frame first. That what happening here in a higher time frame and what we can expect in a higher time frame. Let's see. Like gold are extremely bullish here, and if market, sorry, in a daily time frame. In a daily time frame, market are extremely bullish and continuing pushing higher high. So what we can expect? We can expect that if market came back on this PY point, on this EMA point, and then market create here any bullish confirmation, and then we can expect continuation go higher. So if market tap here, give a small action but fail, okay, and then what happened here? Market can taken out this high right here, and this means the structure was bearish here and now turn into bearish, right? And turn into bearish, and now we can sell here. And this EMA reject here, something like this, right? So this is an indication that if market create like this one and create any bearish indication, like bearish continuation pattern, and then we can sell here. So this is a counter trend move here for the sell, but overall structure looks bullish here, right? It doesn't mean that if market momentum is a bullish in a and trading on top of the move and you are continuing buying. No, you have to buy on a discount price, on a pullback, on some PY mitigation, some EMA rejection on your demand and supply, right? You must be wait for to buy on a specific level, right? So this is happening here in a with gold in a daily time frame structure. Market momentum is a bullish in a higher time frame and lower time frame showing short-term counter in our downside. So let's check here in a 1 hour time frame and 15-minute time frame. Then we can understand that what happening here. In a 1 hour time frame, market was turn into bearish. This is our previous corrective structure, strong impulsive wave and corrective, again a strong impulsive wave and price again create a corrective structure here and again strong impulsive wave. So this is an indication that market are pushing downside and creating lower lows in a higher time frame. And right now the price trading in a continuation pattern right here, right? So this is a continuation pattern here, right? So if market create here any continuation pattern like larger pattern, and this can be take a lot of time because price is still trading in a range and you can short term buy or sell based on lower time frame like 5 minute and 15-minute time frame. Short term you can buy or sell here, but based on high time frame right now there is no clear opportunity for the buy or sell. You can see here it's take a lot of time to complete the structure and then market went down. Same thing happening in our first attempt, market just trying to go higher and everything was bullish. But before this drop, market created this strong move to the upside and then went down, right? So same thing happening here. This was a continuation pattern here, and then market went down. Excuse me. Okay. So I'm sorry. So the overall structure is a bearish and market creating continuation pattern here. If market create here any continuation pattern, then we can sell here. So this is happening here in a 1 hour time frame here, right? So let's see what happening here in a 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, structure is still showing here like bearish, right? And this is a portion when we can see here the short-term buying and selling opportunity here. So many multiple buying and selling opportunity in this zone, right? So this was a move. The market was completely bearish here and then turned into bullish again. And then what happened? Market again pushed downside. So this is an indication that market are not able to go higher, just trying to push higher and down and push higher and down and just creating a like continuation pattern here. And then we can see some larger move possible here and then went down, right? So overall structure showing bearish here in a higher time frame in a gold, in a 15-minute time frame, in every time frame market showing a bearish, right? So let's see and what we can expect here in a another one is here like 5 minute time frame. If you can see here, this is a counter trend here. In a counter trend, you can see here everything is a bullish here. In a counter trend, market pushing higher high. So if market momentum is a bullish in a counter trend, simply we can buy here, right? So we can short term buy here because the market trying to go higher, break the high, break the high, break the high. right? It means continue pushing upside. So this is last flag, which is a broken and go higher. Again, market create a continuation pattern here and break and continue go higher. So this one is a possible scenario in a gold in a 5 minute time frame. And the higher time frame and lower time frame is a like daily time frame is a bullish, but right now market taking some correction and then we can sell here, right? So let's see. The another one is here Nifty. Let's start from the daily time frame first. What happening here? And after that, I will start question answer. So you don't need to worry about it. So everything is a bullish in a Nifty in a daily time frame structure. Looks bullish here. Continue pushing higher high. And right now, what we can expect here? Simply, if market momentum is a bullish, simply you can switch here in a different time frame. Then we can understand that what is a intraday view right here. So in a intraday view in a 50-minute time frame is a still bullish and continue pushing higher high and creating higher low, break the structure, higher high, break the like higher low and break the structure. It means this is a continuation pattern and this can our continuation pattern here like this. Impulse and correction right here, right? So everything is a bullish here. This is a last structure which is a broken but failed. It means the structure are not able to go higher. Market taking trying to push downside and market can take another continuation pattern here like this one and test on this EMA and create continuation pattern here. And if market give here any like bearish indication, we can sell here. So this is a possible scenario in a Nifty in a 15-minute time frame. And overall structure was bullish in a 15-minute time frame and now turned into bearish, right? So short term, we can see some downside move. If market create any continuation pattern in a downside, so we can sell here, right? So this one is a possible scenario here in a Nifty 50 in a 15-minute time frame, right? Let's see. So this one is a possible scenario, something like this. And this is a continuation pattern here, right? And if price test this EMA and give any bearish indication, we can expect a downside move right here and like this. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the next possible scenario here in a Nifty 50 in a 15-minute time frame and what we can expect here. Price must be reject from the EMA and create any bearish indication. Also, you can take some lower time frame confirmation like 2-minute and 1-minute time frame confirmation, then you can sell, right? Okay, let's read your question answer one by one. And after that, EMA setting. EMA is a 50 moving average. This is a 50 moving average. Look at this one, right? EMA is a lagging indicator, but we can use for additional confirmation. We are not using as a primary confirmation. EMA is a lagging indicator, but we can use as a like for additional confirmation, right? Okay. Okay. So the next question, why you left SMC? Actually, SMC, I switch here in a under price action because I wanna trade and to teach a simple approach when everyone can trade. Okay, always use 50 moving average. Yes, I'm using a 15 moving average always. SMC course, yes, SMC course also available. And the price action and smart money concept, both courses are available and both access are available on Discord community. Combine both SMC price action. Yes, you can use, but I'm using Thus, few concept of the smart money concept, which is a very basic and simple principle, and also using a price action. So I combine both things and results, and the results are very good, right? What is the best time frame? There is no best time frame, but simply you can use 15-minute time frame and 2-minute time frame. Okay. So SMC और पैस सेशन को मिला के ही 4.0. Yes, you can say you didn't use SMC. I don't use complete SMC. I use few basic concept of the SMC like structure and inducement. Sometimes I use, right. And other part is here like impulse and correction and combine both things. And I use EMA for the additional confirmation for the buy and sell. That's it. Okay. क्या आप अभी एक ट्रेड ले सकते हैं? अभी क्या मार्केट अभी क्लोज है? What is win rate? Win rate is almost 50% or 50 to 60%. When 4.0 ebook available? 4.0 ebook and video course are already available. Method 3.0 still working. Clear like before. 3.0 is still working, but few concepts are really need to upgrade. Okay. For beginner, better to learn SMC or price action. For the beginner, especially, you need to learn a price action concept. Once you are able to trade a price action concept, the all things which is really trade like easy to trade for everyone, right? So the smart money concept are little bit complex, not able to trade for everyone. But price action concept are very simple and easy to trade. You can use any time frame. How do you determine our take profit? You can set your previous recent high or low as a main target, right? And also you can set your fixed target like 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. It's up to you. What confirmation moving average 50? The confirmation is the when price tap on EMA and broke those EMA and then bounce back and create any bullish indication or bearish candlestick confirmation, and then we are introduced for the buy and sell. But price must be create a continuation pattern, right? Like in this case, you can see the strong. This was our impulsive phase here, right? And after that, what are you looking here? Simply, we are looking for the continuation pattern, price type here, but fail. And people are introduced here for the sell because trend line broken and the other thing, and people are looking here for sell. But price again reach, break this one and close over it. So if price close over it, it means this is a trap here, right? This is a trap, and then market go higher and close above with this, and then we can switch here in a lower time frame. And if market create here any lower time frame confirmation, then we can buy here, right, in a lower time frame. This is a 15-minute time frame. You can use 2-minute or 1-minute time frame for the lower time frame confirmation. Let me show you exactly this one here, right? So this one is our strong candle, pullback and continue go higher. So we can buy here and put the stop loss just below it for the safer side right here. And the other thing, you can see the after broken this high, you can see so many like a continuation pattern here. breaking the high, this one, like this one, and this one. These are continuation pattern, right? Why this move happening? Because the higher time frame was creating bullish continuation pattern. That's why market pushing upside. And this is not happening a first time. You can see multiple time when price tap the EMA and then fail this and then again bounce back and create a bullish candlestick confirmation, and then we can see some continuation to the upside. You don't need to buy in a first time. Just press tap here and then buy. No. Then what happened? Market tap those EMA and then you are looking for the buy and then market went down, hit your stop loss and then went up and then pushing upside, right? And also you don't need to buy here. Like if market create here bullish pattern here and you are buying here, put the stop loss just below, this is not good entry. If market push higher and then market can be pushed downside, taken a stop loss and then went up, right? So always you need to enter after grab the liquidity. You can understand like this. Why you don't care previous day high or low session liquidity in a price action? So there are so many things. You don't need to focus on the all the things. You need to focus on few things which is working for you and make it as simple as much possible. एसएमसी ही में डीप ले चलो, पैसा असल में confusion. No worries, sir. In upcoming days and weeks and months, maybe, and you will see some upgradation in videos, in price action videos, where I will explain the things that how you can combine the price action basic concept and the smart money concept. That's why I introduced the all major like price action concept, which is working. Okay, so I will like upgrade few more videos in a video course, right, for the everyone. You don't need to like combine all the things like to make a complex. I will like in I will add few things like structure, like inducement and order flow. These are enough, right? Okay, and in a price action the impulse and correction, and the other things is here the EMA. These three things you can combine and you can trade in a very simple and logical way. Everyone can trade, even if you are a price action trader, SMC trader, or indicator based trader. So chart pattern use करते हो क्या pattern? No, sir. These are very bad patterns. I trade in a continuation pattern. You don't need to trade a reversal pattern. Reversal pattern are very likely patterns. Most of the time fail. You don't need to trade like double top, double bottom, head and shoulder. These are very bad patterns. Simply you need to identify impulsive wave and corrective phase and again wait for breakout and rejection and then we can buy or sell. That's it. Simple, because you are following the trend. When you are following the trend and trading with a continuation pattern, then very highly chances most of the time you will get a good trade. So I work based on order block in a lower time frame. No, sir. IDM compulsory है, smart money comes from. Yes, IDM are compulsory in a smart money concept. Without inducement, you can't like trade in a smart money concept. IDM are a backbone. In a price action, can we wait for break last higher low before entry? I don't understand which one. So for our compulsory नहीं है देखना. It's depend that if you are a day trader, right, then you don't need to check that different time frame. Okay. The time frame is a 4 hour time frame. The entry time point is a 50 minute. Yes, of course, you can use. ये कैसे पता लगेगा रिवर्सल आने वाला? रिवर्सल को आने का पता ही मत करो, आपको कंटिन्यूशन पे काम करना है। रिवर्सल क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करना है? आपको क्यों टॉप और बॉटम पकड़ना है? आपको कंटिन्यूशन पे काम करना है ना। रिवर्सल आएगा, आने दो। You have to trade only continuation pattern. You don't need to trade like reversal, right? How many pairs are you trade? Right now I'm trading like very few pairs. These pairs are listed here, and mostly I trade gold, Euro USD, and sometime I trade GP Aussie, right? And sometime other pair, like if I get opportunity in a CAD JPY and the Kiwi CAD, sometime in a Bitcoin. In a price session, after find a bullish or bearish pattern for additional confirmation, must we wait for break the previous? Sorry. Yes, when price create any bullish or bearish continuation pattern, and then wait for those pattern breakout or EMA rejection, and then we can buy sell. Also, if you want some more additional confirmation, then you can use lower time frame confirmation, right? In that case, your risk reward will be increased. Sorry. Here you enter a first follower. Sir, this is a not trade. I just share a theme to ask you. This is a not trade, taken any trade. I just asking you that this theme is a theme looks good or not. I just ask. I was asking you. This is a not trade. सर एक क्वेश्चन है, रेंज स्पॉट करने के। सर ये जो आपने रेंज बनाया इम्पल्स करने का, वो कितने कैंडल्स कंसीडर करें? सर इट्स नॉट अबाउट कैंडलस्टिक, इट डिपेंड दैट इफ मार्केट मोमेंटम इज अ बुलिश और बेयर्स एंड रिस्पेक्ट from the EMA, must be respect from the EMA, that's enough. Okay, so you can see here in this case, for example, you can see this is a flag, right? So you can't you don't need to consider this as a flag or you sell, right? Why? Because if you are selling here, if you are putting the stop loss just for it, then market go higher and then respect the EMA and push downside and your stop loss hit. In this case, you can see this is a very small flag, right? But respect this EMA and you can sell here, right? And put the stop loss just for it. And same thing applicable here, right? This is a very larger flag, even broke this EMA, but market create this one. If you are marking this flag here, so this are not looks good here. At least must be two touches confirmation in a larger flag, break this one, sell, put the stop loss just a bit. So this is a necessary to test EMA, even broke or test, and then give reaction and breakout, and then we can buy sell. Hello, sir. Okay, I'm from Turkey. Okay, I'm watching your YouTube video. I'm mind open. I always watching you many times, every video. Thank you so much. Okay, most welcome. In a price action, many trades closing in a break even risk free. Okay, so uh, shall we get set our forget and risk free our trade on 1 RR? Sir, 1 RR is not a good idea, right? at least you should take a 2 hour. Okay, so in that case, you should move your stop loss, trail your stop loss until it TP. If so many times hitting your break even point, that's why you are doing few things. Maybe you are not doing taking a correct setup here. Okay, then you need to identify high probability zone for the buy and sell. And also, if even also hitting so many time break even, then you need to like wait for a take profit SL or VE in that case. Okay, but I hope if you find the high probability PY zone and structure in a higher time frame, and then you are trading on that point, then very highly chances most of the time your trade will be hit. Small capital person are not good trade in a price session, but 3 point is a good. For the small capital, it's not about capital. For the if you are looking a perspective of the capital, so smart money price action either, even there is no strategy which is good for you. Okay, because you need to take a risk here in a price action, in SMC, everywhere. एक वीडियो की लॉट साइज कैसे लेना, लॉट साइज सिंपल है कि आपके रिस्क के ऊपर है ना, आपका अकाउंट कितना है, आपको कितने रिस्क लेना है, उसके हिसाब से लॉट साइज कैलकुलेट होगा। और कैलकुलेट के लिए आप बेबी पिप्स कैलकुलेटर यूज़ कर सकते हो फॉर लॉट साइज कैलकुलेट करने के लिए। माई एफ एक्स पे भी अवेलेबल है कैलकुलेटर, उस पर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। तो काफ़ी सारे वे हैं जहाँ से आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हो। डिपेंड करता है कि आपका रिस्क कितना है, लाइक 5 पिप्स का है, 10 पिप्स का स्टॉप लॉस है, तो उसके हिसाब से आपका कितना क्वांटिटी है, उसके हिसाब से फिर आपका रिवॉर्ड कितना है, तो उसी हिसाब से सेट किया जाता है। तो इसके लिए सिंपली आप बेबी पिप्स कैलकुलेटर पे जा सकते हो। सिंपल। फ्लैग पैटर्न में कंफर्मेशन कैसे लें, फ्लैग पैटर्न के लिए ऑलरेडी मेक अ वीडियो ऑन इट, so simply you can watch a part 6 I uploaded on Discord for the Discord members. What about the RSI? What is this? I never use it. I was using when I was starting trading. I never seen after like 3 4 years. Before 3 4 years, I was using in a starting as a beginner. Can you tilt back test? No, sir. This time is not possible. Already time is over. Okay, so the mostly question is a cover here, and now I'm going to finish the webinar. And if anybody is joined late, simply you can watch later. I will upload on YouTube as soon as possible, so you can watch anytime. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice great weekend. Happy trading.